Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're going to go over the F536 selfie ring light. This is made by Letscom. Okay. First, let's go over what's included. You're going to get your extended warranty card and contact info. You're going to get a user manual. You're going to get a Bluetooth remote. This will allow you to take pictures and start and stop videos. You're going to get a flexible phone holder. You're going to get a phone holder that goes on the base of the tripod. You have your ring light. The ring light has a diameter of 12.6 inches. And it's a USB powered. The controls are on here. The max power output of the LED lights is 10 watts. You're going to get a bag as well, and this bag is going to have your tripod. So here is your tripod. Alright, so let's put this thing together. First, take off the little top piece here. Simply move this little lever here and you'll be able to slide it out. Next, open up the feet of the tripod by opening up the tabs. You could adjust the height, so just make sure you close the tabs and you're good to go. Grab your ring light. So this little thing just goes on the bottom here. Okay. Before we do this, all right, let's adjust this first. So undo the bottom knob here, and then turn the handle up. That way we can get a level. And then just turn it back, turn the knob back and tighten it up. Okay, so turn this knob and place the left side first. And then insert it into it and just let go of the knob. And then that's pretty much it. So if you loosen it up a little bit, you can rotate it. And then there's another knob on the side over here, and you can loosen this up as well. So you could adjust this pretty much as you want. All right, let's add the phone holders. Okay. To add the other phone holder, you need to open it up. There's going to be a section here that opens up. So insert that section onto the base of the tripod. Grab the metal hook here and place it over the little divot areas, and then pull back on the part. Let's adjust it. Okay. So you have two places you can put your phone on. Okay, if you have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.